All right, what's up, YouTube? I am converting a AOD harness to a 5-speed. Long story short, this is an AOD reverse light switch, and this is also will excite the stator slash coil, whatever, for starting. This is a 5-speed one, so you can see it just unplugs here, same plug. Okay, so when you're converting it, you just need to buy this plug, which is the reverse light switch pigtail, and you need to buy the neutral safety switch pigtail because the AOD harnesses do not have the neutral safety switch pigtail, but it has the 2 ports for it. Right there, you see it? See the empty 2 ports? So what I've already done on this one, if I've already added 2, by using an old harness that I didn't care about, or buying the 2 pins, you can do whatever you want. I've added just 2 random wires to the one I'm converting, and I'm gonna weave this in all the way through the black, okay? And I'm gonna drill a hole here, and since this is the new pigtail right here, I'm going to attach it to these. It doesn't matter who goes where because it's not like positive negative. It's just a switch. So I'm going to put this pigtail through the hole. I'm going to attach it to these 2 wires. And since I bought this and this is just a plug-in, that's naturally just converting it to a 5-speed. So basically I took my AOD conversion harness out of my car, spent 30 or 40 bucks, 20, 30 bucks, whatever, on these 2 pigtails, and I converted my own harness to 5-speed. Make sure you put the lock back in.